What did you like about woodworking camp?
You're like very independent in it. Like you can choose what creature you made. Like I made a giraffe and so did she. And like we can like add like technically whatever we want, like this, like his ears and his horns, and you can like add a tail out of leather. It's really cool. It's really fun working with wood when you have like the right materials and they have like anything. If you asked for like a long neck like some of these, they would like have it. They're really prepared. They're really nice, and it's really fun. And you can make these like the legs move like this. You can take things home, and they have free time, and the counselors like Grace and Victoria and Jenny are really nice. They're really fun to work with.
Well, thank you. What's something that you learned this week?
I learned how to attach everything and make it how I want it, and make things better than when I work with my dad. It was really fun.